Hey everybody, got a new thing going on here. The driving cam. Wow. Oh, look at them. Oh yeah. Look at the beauty of Subarus. Ah, I love them. Oh yes, hey, yes. The WRX is inside. Look, there's a lower lot. Oh, they're everywhere. Yes. Got the whale tail. Imprezas, yeah, Impreza. I think it's great when you go into the back parking lot by all the mechanics, and every single mechanic has a Subaru. Love it. So we are leaving Subaru, and let me tell you, it is just awesome seeing all of those brand new cars. Rows and rows of them everywhere. Amazing. And they had my part. And they also had the bolt that I lost. Yay! So apparently I lost the bolt for the top of the gas tank. There's 10 of them. I got 9 of them on there. I don't really smell any gas, but I can't really smell anything. And Dana, my girlfriend, she says the whole car smells like gas. But I did just change the fuel pump. So it's like, maybe it's leaking, maybe it isn't. I don't know. We'll find out. But for the low cost of $8.80, it's $8 shipping and 80 cents for the bolt. It's a very specialty bolt that they have for the hatch cover of the gas tank. Not bad. I lost one, but we're one for one because the guys at Steve Moyer lost one of my bolts as well. Well, they lost a nut, I lost a bolt. So I'd call that even. And now we're going to drive home and play with the car.